Today I will be taking a look at the SKYROKU LED flashlight. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I have an LED flashlight by SKYROKU, which you can pick up on Amazon. There are many LED flashlight choices out there from varying brightness and sizes. This is a 2-pack, which is available for $16. There are other bundled options to choose from. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look at the flashlight. This package comes with the 2 LED flashlights, which are 300 lumens. They are 5.3 inches in length, and it also comes with the lanyard. The body is made of aluminum alloy. It has a solid and sturdy feel. It also has threads, so it provides a bit of a grip. Here on the top you can see the zoom option. In order to zoom in and out, you have to slide the top up and down. It slides fairly easy. The green button is the on and off toggle switch. This LED flashlight is powered by 3 AAA batteries. The batteries are not included. The front rim has a nice tactical looking groove design. Let's take a look at the different modes of the lighting. The flashlight has 5 modes: high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. This is the high mode. This is the medium mode. Zooming in and zooming out. This is low. Strobe. SOS. So there it is, SKYROKU LED flashlight. The only thing I dislike is the way you have to switch modes. You constantly have to turn it on and off and cycle through the settings. There is no way to save a particular mode, so you will have to click it on and off several times to get to the setting you like. Overall, it's a decent flashlight and value. It's great to have it around for emergencies, in the car, or for night activities. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.